I'm back. Forgot to tell you guys that I was doing this. I didn't turn the camera on. I'm in here baking. So I made a dozen miniature pumpkin pies. I'm getting all my goodies ready for tomorrow. Let me show you what else I got going on. I'm taking this this stand right here with me, and it's not gonna be set up exactly like this, of course. And these are some of my giveaways. Okay, so I'm gonna give them away. And these are my Hershey Nuggets. I think, yeah, I definitely showed you because I did that. Showed you this in a video. These are individually wrapped, and I did that. And I also made the card holder for it. And then these are little teas. So it's Christmas teas. Oops, I am way close. Yeah, so this one is like that. Okay, and inside there's a tea, Christmas tea, apple cider, candy cane, honey stick, and a spoon. Okay, and I'll put that back. And then, of course, this is not going to be set up like this. I'm just getting my stuff together. Okay, and then here, these are my peppermint. No, these are the chocolate nut clusters. I made these. Okay, you see them in there? They're packaged up already, so I just have to put the labels on them in the morning because I'm tired. These are the peppermint ones. Yep. And then this is the popcorn nuts and chocolate mix. Candy. So that's what that is. And again, the labels will be put on in the morning. I know I'm doing a lot in the morning. I really am. I gotta put this on here. Okay, so yeah, I got stuff to do. I was too close. I was way too close. I need to move stuff around. Or move the camera. Oh, I just broke it off. So I'll be fixing that right now. Super. So this, I just broke it off the top. And what I was getting ready to do, I'm going to fix it. And I made it. Okay. But that's what happens when you work with one hand and a phone in your other hand trying to use it as a camera. Anyway, I was going to edit that out, and then I thought about it. Nope. So I'm going to put that back on there. And you saw this before. Let me move back. And I don't know why it is doing that. Oh, there we go. And so I'm going to take this and add it. Okay? Yeah, I know I'm still doing the most. Alright. But I just wanted to hit you guys up for a minute and tell you this before I finish because I almost did. I can't believe I went through all of that making those pies and did not videotape it. Anyway, I will post the end result when I get done. Hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye.